Hollywood's extraordinary secrets for effective health and weight loss, puravive. Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore an incredible secret that Hollywood is keeping for effective health and weight loss. That is puravive, a unique product, completely different from anything you have tried or experienced in your life. Puravive. Breakthrough. Difference. Hollywood is always famous for its special weight loss and health maintenance methods. In a world where beauty and health are both important, puravive has become a big secret among celebrities and fans around the world. Why is puravive a great choice? Natural ingredients. Puravive uses carefully selected all-natural ingredients to help support weight loss safely and effectively. Caffeine-free. In particular, the product does not contain caffeine, helping users not have to worry about disadvantages or side effects from consuming caffeine. Energy boost. One of the biggest advantages of puravive is its ability to increase energy, helping you not only lose weight, but also maintain mental alertness and activity. Unlimited experience. Puravive is more than just an ordinary weight loss product. It is an experience, the perfect combination of modern medicine and Hollywood's enduring secrets. Puravive's difference lies not only in its natural ingredients, but also in the way it affects both the mind and body simultaneously. Conclusion: health and beauty come from within. If you're looking for a fresh and effective way to lose weight and stay healthy, puravive is the answer. Don't let yourself be held back by old methods. Try puravive and experience a positive change in your life. Like and subscribe to stay updated on new secrets and trends from the world of weight loss and beauty. Thank you for accompanying us.